Hello everyone, my name is Jess from Diligence Certification. Imagine you are a foreign manufacturer producing high quality electrical appliances and kitchen products and ready to enter in India. You have lined up distributor, pricing and even marketing campaign. But as soon as your shipment reaches in Mumbai port, the custom blocks it. The reason is FMCS Mark Certification is missing. This is a real challenge faced by many global brands in India. For regulated products, FMCS Mark is mandatory. FMCS stands for Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. Comes under BIS certification that allows foreign manufacturers to use ISI mark on their products intended for Indian market. It applies more than 700 product categories, including electrical appliances and kitchen products, steel and metal products, tires, toys, and many other regulated products. Without FMCS certification, custom clearance is impossible. Retailers and distributors will not stock your products. Consumer will lack trust on your products. There are safety and many regulatory fees. In short, without FMCS, you cannot sell your products legally in India. To obtain FMCS, a manufacturer must ensure that product complies with relevant Indian standards. Have a properly equipped factory and testing facilities. Employ qualified testing personnel. Accept the scheme of inspection and testing. Appoint authorized Indian representative if there is no office located in India. The process includes following steps. Step 1. Application submission. The filled application submitted to BIS office online and offline. Second step is queries. BIS reviews and clarifies missing details. Third step is factory visit. The BIS officer visit the factory and collect the samples. Fourth step is sample testing. The sample drawn to the BIS recognized lab. Fifth stage is license grant. After reviewing the submitted application and on behalf of the record received, the BIS grant the FMCS license to use the foreign manufacturer ISI mark. The license is valid for 1 year and it should be mandatory for the manufacturers to renew them time to time. FMCS certification provides consumer trust through the ISI mark, market access across the India. Distributors and retailers trust smooth custom clearance, long-term compliance with Indian regulations. So if you plan to sell your products in India, so FMCS certification process is mandatory. At Diligence Certification, we support you throughout the entire process like documentation, AIR agreement, factory visit, and final license grant. Fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for FMCS certification process, contact Diligence Certifications today.